Hello, my name is Franklyn. I'm a student at the University of Windsor studying behavior, cognition, and neuroscience. And today I'll be showing you how to make a baked apple for breakfast. So first, choose your favorite kind of apple. Anything at all will work. My favorite is Cortland because I find that they cook really well, but it's up to you. So give it a wash first. And then what you want to do is core the apple. So you want to end up with a solid apple with the core cut out of the middle and all the seeds gone. So just take a knife and go around the outside of the stem. Now apples are a really good thing to have for breakfast because they'll give you your vitamin C, they'll give you fiber, but you won't be getting all those artificial preservatives and salt that you normally get in things like cereals. And you have no artificial colors, no artificial flavors. So see, I kind of cored the bottom, cored the top, but it's not going all the way through yet. So just bring your knife around, being really careful. You want to make sure that all the seeds in the core are completely out. Alright, so now we've got a nicely cored apple. It's not perfect, but what you want is a hole in the middle and no core. So then you're going to be placing it in the microwave and cooking it, so you don't want the skin to explode when steam comes out. So you want to make little holes at the side of the apple with your knife, just to allow the steam to come out while it's cooking. So you don't want exploded apple all over your microwave. So just make sure that you get the perimeter of the apple. It should be good. It doesn't usually explode. So find a microwave-safe bowl, like a glass bowl. Now next, I've mixed up some brown sugar and some cinnamon. So about a pinch of cinnamon for every couple teaspoons of brown sugar. And I'm just going to sprinkle it around and on the inside of the apple. Now, if you're thinking, oh my gosh, she's filling up an apple with sugar, that's not very healthy. Well, remember that in most breakfasts, you'll actually be getting more sugar than this because things like juice are very high in sugar, which is fine. But also, a lot of sugar is added to most cereals you eat. And things like cereals have corn syrup to sweeten them, which isn't as healthy for you as something like brown sugar. And you're really only using a couple teaspoons, and you do need some sugar first thing in the morning to give you energy. And if you want to completely omit the sugar, that's totally fine. You can just sprinkle some cinnamon around it, and you'll have a really nice cooked apple at the end. So after that, you add a really, really tiny sliver of margarine, or butter if that's okay too. But margarine is supposed to be a little healthier. So a very, very small piece, not even a teaspoon, just to cover the hole at the top. Now next, just in case it explodes, you want to cover it with something, preferably saran wrap or a microwave-safe plate on the top. So next, you're going to place this in the microwave for 2 minutes. Then when you're done, be really careful taking it out. Use something like a pot holder, you don't want to burn yourself. What you're going to have for your finished product is something like this. It's a cooked apple, it's really soft, really warm, and what happens is that as the apple cooks, it makes this really nice syrup, which you can then pour over top of the whole apple, and it makes this really nice, kind of a fancy treat first thing in the morning on those cold winter days. So I hope you have fun, good luck!